I want you to imagine this. Your friend bought Bitcoin 5 years ago and is now shopping for the second house. You bought the same Bitcoin last week, but you're already down 20%. Same coin, same market, but completely different results. That's not bad luck. That's the difference between trading and investing. A difference no one explains until after you've lost your money. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on crypto trading. What it really is, how it traps the impatient, and why most beginners get destroyed even before they learn the rules. This is the crypto streamer, Elisha. Let's take a ride. Let's start simple by looking at what trading means from the general perspective. So trading simply means buying and selling assets for the sake of making money. Now, these assets could actually be corn, gold, stocks, or bonds. In our case, we could actually be talking of cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, mention them. Crypto trading specifically means watching the market like a hawk. You buy when you think the price will go up and then sell when you think the price will go down. Your goal is to catch the wave and make profits within hours, in a day, even in weeks. But here's the unsaid truth. Most people don't trade, they gamble. They see a green candle, they jump in. They see a red candle, they panic and sell. That's not strategy, that's emotion. Now, this is where most beginners get confused. Investing is slow, boring, and unsexy. You buy an asset not because it will go up tomorrow, but because you believe it will be worth more in the 5 years to come. Now listen to this. Investors normally ignore the daily noise. They sleep well even when there are crashes around because they're playing a long game. Now, trading is the opposite. Traders want the money right now, and they don't care whether an asset will be worth double in 2030 or in 10 to 15 years to come. All they care about is what will happen in the next 5 hours. Warren Buffett invests and traders trade. Neither of them is evil, but mixing them up is how you lose your money. Draw closer, I whisper something to you. You can be a great investor, but a terrible trader. The truth is, the skills are completely different. Traders survive on one thing, and that's volatility. That's just a fancy word for prices moving up and down. The crypto market is actually volatile. Prices can swing 10 to 20% in a day. For a trader, up 10% is a profit. Down 10% is a loss. For an investor, they don't care. They know the market will recover in years and not days. Here's the killer. Most beginners invest like investors, but panic like traders. They buy high, sell low, and quit forever. If you want to trade, you must accept the fact that you will sometimes lose the money. The big question that you have to ask yourself is, can you survive long enough so as to learn? In this video, we have just scratched the surface. In the next videos that I'll be rolling out, we'll actually delve deeper into the terminologies that you need to learn before you place your first trade. Things like long versus short, support and resistance, bid, ask and spread, leverage. If you don't understand these terminologies, you're not trading, but you're hoping. And hope is not a strategy. So here's my ask. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because the next video might save you from losing the money that you can't afford to lose. This is the Unsaid Truths, where we help you see the traps before you fall in them. See you in the next one.